Ano ang sabi? In this channel, we have featured a number of pickup trucks that are available in the market. Pero hands down, ito talaga yung nagpa-wow sa akin. And it did that in so many ways. Ito po, ang JMC Grand Avenue. Let's go!
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild.
Kung di pa po kayo nagsasubscribe sa channel ko, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Right away, gusto kong i-invite kayo dito sa showroom nila ng JMC Motors dito sa C. Raimundo, Pasig. You can test drive their units here. Available po ang mga pickup trucks nila dito. At ito na nga, pag-usapan na natin ang Grand Avenue. Talaga naman pong amazing. Pagmasdan nyo pa lang siya, iba talaga yung dating niya. As in, napaka-brusko ng character niya. Malaki at malapad, a little on the boxy side, kaya parang ang dating sa akin siya yung pinagsama na Ranger at F-150. Kung pagsasamahin sila, parang ito yung kalalabasan. And frankly speaking, it really looks good. Yung front fascia niya, it looks massive. Yung front grille niya, yan o, napaka-strong. Alam mo yung design niya na may pang-international appeal? Alam mo na magugustuhan to from customers that loves pickup trucks from anywhere from like New Zealand all the way to Alaska in America. Alam mo na kayang mag-perform ng pickup na to. Yung unang impression ko sa kanya alam ko talaga na may performance at reliability na ibibigay ito. Yun po ang unang impression ko sa kanya. Kaya dun pa lang convinced na ako talaga na matibay to. Well, alam naman po natin, it is not a Japanese brand. Pero alam mo na this is really well built with good quality parts. And of course, it is reliable as it should be being a pickup truck. Alam niyo po, JMC category talaga yung expertise nila sa mga trucks. At ngayon po, gumawa sila ng pickup truck. Kaya yung kanilang proven reliability, yung kanilang ginagawa sa mga truck nila, andyan po ngayon dito sa pickup truck na to. At alam nyo, isa ako sa naniniwala sa kasabihan na when you feel this is like if it's too good to be true, it is too good to be true. Pero sometimes, alam nyo, life, it just surprises you. Kasi di ko akalain na ganito ang value na ino-offer ng pickup truck na to sa presyo na meron siya. Well, let me get started. Kasi sa design, kita naman it's big, tall, talagang napaka-bold ng design niya. It is a very likable pickup truck. Di ko nga alam kung ano uunahin ko, pero ang dami kasing impressive features na inaalok niya. Alam mo yun, yung mga simpleng features na nilagay na talagang ma-appreciate mo. Kamukha nito, itong hood niya. Yan po ay naka-hydraulic assist. Pag binuksan nyo, ayan po. And it is the same with the tailgate. Ayan po, a single finger. Isang daliri lang po, maisasara ko na siya. At ito pong pinaka-cab niya sa likod, ang laki at ang taas. Pwede mo nga pong gawin niya swimming pool para sa mga bata. It's 4x4 and a 4x2. Kung ano meron isa, meron din po dito. At pagpasok mo sa loob ng pickup truck na to, sasalubungin ka agad ng soft materials. Sa door panels, upuan, ayan po, leather. May aircon vents po dito sa second row. May socket po para makapag-charge ng phone na okay po siya to fit 5 people. Pagdating sa dashboard, again, it is impressive. Talaga namang premium materials ang ginamit. Alam niyo po yung pakiramdam na you're inside a high-end SUV? Parang ganun, from the door panels to the center console, how it is laid out, talaga namang good job. You know that this pickup truck will give you that comfortable, good quality ride for a pickup truck. And in a way, you may say na layout niya, di siya overwhelming sa mata. Pero it has that futuristic appeal on the way the AC vents, mga consoles, yung bin niya sa gitna, ayan, napaka-sophisticated po ang pagkaka-setup. Itong infotainment system niya, mayroon po yung Apple CarPlay at Android Auto. Yan po yung gear selector, very elegant at stylish. Yung po mga controls, ayan, yung knob, para sa mga driving mode. Andyan po yung buttons para sa park brake and hill assist. Andyan po sa gitna, the steering wheel itself, bagay na bagay ang design dito sa pickup truck na to. Matching talaga sila. Andyan yung controls para sa cruise control. Yes, may cruise control po to. At mga controls dyan sa infotainment system dito sa kabila. Masasabi ko na this vehicle is really well planned and it was well executed. From the drawing board until it became its finished product. Ayan, talaga namang mai-impress ka. Now, speaking of impressive, sa engine department na tayo. It is a Euro 4 JX4D23 Puma diesel engine. 2.3 liters po ang kanyang size. Power niya is around 400 Nm of torque at 1,400 RPM. Meron po siyang manual version na 6-speed at ito pong 8-speed automatic transmission niya with select shift. Yes po, ayan po, meron siyang paddle shifters. Diba, very nice, meron po siyang paddle shifters. At ang kagandahan dito, it is just right there on that sweet spot. Hindi tinipid ang size ng engine at hindi din naman overwhelming sa power. As in, sakto lang talaga pero powerful pa din. Yung alam mo na hindi ka mag-i-struggle sa kahit anong terrain o situation na dadaanan mo gamit ang sasakyan na to. At dito po sa top of the line 4x4 or 4x2, sobrang dami ng features. Kaya nakakagulat sa pricing na meron siya. Pero mamaya na natin babanggitin yung pricing. Ito muna yung ilang features na meron siya. Keyless entry with push start button. Meron po siyang electric park brake with auto hold, power windows, remote window lifting. Electronic po ang adjustment ng kanyang upuan dito sa driver. May cruise control, collision auto unlock, automatic door return, second collision brake and post collision brake. Yung pag may natamaan ka na, magpe-preno na po siya automatic para hindi ka na makapinsala o magtumuloy pa na umuusad yung sasakyan. May ABS, EBD, meron po siya electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, hill launch assist, hill descent control, rollover mitigation system, parking sensors, reverse camera, reversing distance display at meron siyang TPMS. At syempre meron din siyang remote central locking and vehicle finding feature. At dito po sa JMC Motors, dito sa C. Raimundo Pasig, ito po ang pricing ng JMC Grand Avenue. Sa pagtatapos, alam nyo, sobrang bilib ako sa JMC kasi sobrang confident sila sa pickup truck na to. Kasi ang ino-offer po nila ay ang lifetime engine warranty. That is simply amazing in every sense of the word. From that alone, alam mo na this is a pickup truck that is built to last. Bagay talaga yung name na binigay sa kanya because indeed, it is possibly the grandest of all pickup trucks. Ito po ang JMC Grand Avenue. If you found some value in this video, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Drive safe, and I'll see you on the next one.